Hey guys, it's Keegan. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I thought it'd be fun to do a little productive day of my life where we sort of get my life back together. I am a mess. My life is in shambles. Not to be dramatic, I thought it'd just be fun to do a day where we run errands together, we clean up my room, we just get myself back in a more productive mental state. Overall, we're just gonna get our life back together. This video is actually sponsored by CVS Pharmacy. I fangirled when I got this opportunity. Fangirled is an understatement. I don't think I told you guys this because of privacy reasons, but my last apartment, I lived about a 2-minute walk from a CVS. My roommates and I would go to CVS for fun all the time. Like, we'd be like, what should we do tonight? Let's go to CVS. Like, that was like our fun thing to do. So when I got this opportunity, I was like, yes, absolutely yes. We'll talk about CVS later in this video, but I'm just so excited. This is also great timing because I feel like I'm getting a little sick, which is like, ugh. I thought we would just start off by cleaning my room, running some errands. I'll show you guys my room. Before you judge me, let me just start off by saying my room is a mess because my life is a mess. Sometimes life just gets away from us, we become a mess, and that's okay. It happens, it's life. And that's why we take these days to clean up and mentally, physically prepare. When my mental state is a mess, my room is a mess. Cleaning my room helps my mental state a lot. Let me show you the room, the before. Yeah, we need to make the bed. That's the #1 thing that helps me always, making the bed. I was starting to do my laundry and then, nah. As you can tell, there's a lot of work that needs to be done, and that is why we are getting it together. Anyone else just feel like a better person when their bed is made, or is that just me? It feels nice. There wasn't a lot to do, but it feels great. I'm about to go run some errands, and I'm gonna take you guys with me. Let's go. My heart is racing, and I can't take it anymore. I just want you around me. You guys are in luck because this is basically a double haul. I obviously went into the store, as you guys saw in my montage, but I'm also a CarePass member and I wanted to show you guys everything that I got this month. If you guys don't know, you can be a CarePass member for $5 a month or $48 a year. I wanted to show you guys every single thing that I got this month. There's so many goodies in here. I did open it. I'm not gonna lie. I had to. First of all, I got some popcorn. You guys don't know, I'm like very much so obsessed with popcorn, so I will be probably eating this. It'll probably be gone by today. Oops. I also got this multi-symptom severe cold, but it relieves nasal congestion, sore throat, cough, headache, body ache, fever. That's actually so perfect for me. Oh my gosh. Yeah, no, this is perfect for me because I've been feeling a little congested. I feel like you guys can hear it in my voice. I'm in the very starting stages of being sick. I went to the doctor and they're like, no, you're fine. But I'm like, obviously I'm not fine. Being a CarePass member, you get 20% off all CVS Health and Live Better products, so this is one of them. I also got some of these Lysol wipes. I actually did not realize that I got these in there because I did sneak peek buy them today because they were on a really good deal. You can also get 1 to 2 day shipping on eligible CVS items, which is really great. I love a fast shipping, I must not lie. I'm a little impatient. Another CVS Health item that you guys can get, again, 20% off on. Daily Hydrating Facial Lotion. Let's open her up. Ooh. Ah. I decided I hated the lighting. Is this better or is this worse? Like I said, I'm very obsessed with CVS. If you guys don't know, I used to be on Accutane. If you didn't know, I would be very shocked because I made it a major personality trait of mine, but I used to get my prescriptions at CVS, and you can get free same-day prescription RX delivery, which is really great. You can get eligible prescriptions and eligible products at your door in hours, and I used to use this all the time. When I was on Accutane, you'd have to pick up your prescription a certain amount of days after your appointment, or else you'd have to wait a whole nother month to be on that Accutane pill. Does that make any sense? But I used to use that feature all the time, and that's a really great benefit of being a CarePass member. This is actually really good lighting. I should have been up here all along. Much better lighting. Sorry about that, you guys. I also got this Live Better Elderberry Liquid. It's concentration drops that support immune health. I am very excited to try this. My immune system is really going through the ringer. These hair, skin, and nails gummies with biotin. I've heard really great things about biotin, and these ones are strawberry flavored, which I love strawberry flavored things, so I'll definitely be trying these. I've been trying to, like, obviously my hair's long, but she's not that thick. Oh, you also get a monthly $10 promo reward. It can be used in store, online. Yes. Some restrictions do apply for this, so check out the link in the description to see a little bit more, but I love a good $10 promo. I also got this Bliss Rose Gold Foil Sheet Mask. This could be super fun to do tonight. Maybe we have like a little spa night. This one is another Live Better product, which again, you guys can get 20% off on. This nighttime rest gummies helps enhance restful sleep. Definitely excited about this. And then the last thing I have, this Neutrogena Makeup Remover Eraser Stick. Let's say you're doing like a winged liner and you want to clean it up a little bit. These things are great for that. Also, being a CarePass member, you get access to a 24/7 pharmacist helpline, which is super amazing. You guys can get your first month free for being a CVS CarePass member. I'll have a link link down below. Definitely go check it out. I love this stuff. I think the perks are really great. Okay, like I said, it's a double haul, so let's show you guys what I got. Yay! Woo! First of all, I got this CVS Health Maximum Strength Mucus DM Extended Relief. Like I've been saying, I've just not been feeling the best. I actually got 20% off on this, which is a really great perk because this is the CVS Health brand. I also got some more Lysol. They had a really great deal on them. So I got 2 of these. One of them's a lemon, one of them's a crisp linen scent. So variety. They were having a deal, so I got both. I feel like you can never have enough of these wipes. Now I have 3. But I mean my bedroom, my bathroom, my living room, my kitchen. You can go through a lot of these. And I do want to wipe down my entire room today. I also got, this is another CVS Health brand that I got 20% off on, so I was like, okay, I need it. I got these little ibuprofens. I wanted to put an ibuprofen in my purse. It came with 2, so a bigger one and then a more portable one. I also got some Batiste dry shampoo. This is my favorite dry shampoo ever. I actually used my $10 promo rewards towards this. I love saving money. I don't know why. Dry shampoo is one of those things that I really hate paying for, so when I had the promo reward, I was like, yes, I'll take that. I've been trying to do a lot of more TikTok hacks for cleaning, and I saw one where you put dish soap, just regular dish soap, a tablespoon of it on a little hand towel, and then you put it with your wipes. And I want to clean my bedding, and apparently this makes it super bright. Sometimes bleach can make things more yellow, so this lady said that this was a great recommendation, so I got a nice little dish soap. They have great cleaning supplies too. I typically use the foam dish soap, so I didn't have any liquid one. The last 3 things, I got this CVS Health sore throat spray because my throat has been really hurting, and then I also got these sore throat, I don't know how to pronounce them, they're little candy things that you can suck on that help your throat. And the very last thing I got is this Crystal Light liquid in strawberry lemonade. I love these. I think they're so good. I've always tried the packet ones, so I wanted to try the little squirt ones. I just think these are really nice if you're going out somewhere and you're getting a drink that doesn't taste that good, and it makes it taste so much better. So that is everything that I got from CVS. Again, like I said, if you guys want to be a CarePass member, click the link in my description to get 1 month for free. I highly recommend it. There's a lot of perks and benefits. I saved so much money. Our bodies taking control. When you look at me, it's hard to breathe, it's ecstasy. The way you feel me, I have no control. When you're touching me, it's hard to leave, it feels so free. It's an awakening, just don't let go. You make me come alive. Can't help myself tonight. You make me come alive, babe. I can feel it, I can feel it. You make me come alive. Can't help myself. I think I overflowed it. Oops. Oh, it's still going. I mean, that's good. Look at the sunset now. Pop off. These are the clothes I was afraid would bleed if I put them in with my other clothes, so I will wash them another time. I'm just feeling lazy right now. I know I did just say that I'm lazy, but I do want to wipe down all my surfaces with my Lysol wipes. I was gonna deep clean my room, but it's dark outside. How is the day gone already by? I have no idea. I think I might do a quick little wipe down. I think that might be more feasible for me right now. In my opinion, it's better to do something than nothing, and my alternative is absolutely doing nothing. Wiping it down with a Lysol wipe may not be the deep clean that I was anticipating for today, but it will do. Something that I love to do that really helps me prepare for the week is making a to-do list. I think that I'm going to make my to-do list for tomorrow. I have a busy day ahead of me tomorrow, so I feel like this will really help me. I love making my to-do list. It's the most satisfying, calming thing for me. So I'm just gonna transfer some things from my weekly to-do list over to my daily to-do list, and then add any last minute tasks that didn't fit on there. Innovations, new hearts we're chasing. No time is wasted when you're right beside me. One look in your eyes, when you hold me, I can't help but want you more. A little bit later in the day, I kind of been considering putting on sweatpants. That sounds like the move. Sweatpants are on. They're also low-key still warm from the dryer, so bonus. I just took some of that mucus medicine and then I sprayed the stuff in my throat, and I'm really hoping that will kick in soon. I did it 10 seconds ago, so it needs some time. I'm gonna get my work done. When you look at me, it's hard to breathe, it's ecstasy. The way you feel me, I have no control. When you're touching me, it's hard to leave, it feels so free. It's an awakening, just don't let go. You make me come alive. Can't help myself tonight. You make me come alive. I can feel it, I hope that you guys like this video. Thank you again to CVS for sponsoring it. Make sure to check the link in the description to get your first month free for your CarePass. Make sure to subscribe also if you're not already, and I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Mwah.